Hello, everybody. I am so excited to invite you to join me for a gentle art challenge in the month of May that I'm calling Little by Little. And the idea is simple, just one little piece of art, like this little 3 by 3 square, each weekday in the month of May. That's a total of 22 little paintings by the end of the month, with weekends off to rest or catch up. As you can see, I have already cut my squares. I'm ready for the month. And I did this by using my Arches 9 by 12 inch paper and just made my marks on there and cut those up into my desired size. I am just keeping them small and simple and manageable, and I would encourage you to do the same. And you don't have to use watercolors. Obviously, that's my gig, so I'm using watercolor paper and watercolors, but you can use, if you're acrylics or pastels or pencils or pens or markers, whatever you would like. So I will be posting my weekday minis right here on my channel. I would love to have you join me. I will be talking about my supplies and I will link them in each of the videos if you're at all interested in what I'm using. But otherwise, again, I encourage you to just use whatever supplies you've got, whatever medium you would like, and I would just love it if you'd join me in whatever way works for you. There is absolutely no pressure, no perfection, just progress, little by little. And I hope that you enjoy this. I hope it gets you creating more in the month of May. And please be sure to subscribe and turn your notifications on if you'd like to follow along. And I will create a playlist to keep everything organized and in one place as well. If you'd like to join in, I would love to see what you create. Use the hashtag #LittleByLittleMayArt so we can all find and cheer each other on. And I want you to make this challenge your own. You are more than welcome to paint what I'm painting. You can paint something along the same lines, be inspired by it, do something totally different. Whatever will get you creating more in May. So let me know in the comments if you think you're going to give it a go and join me. And remember, no pressure, no perfection. You just show up when you can show up. If you're seeing this in the middle of May for the first time or the end of May, just jump in and join us. There's no rule that says you have to commit to every weekday, or if you miss a day here and there or a week here and there, it is all good. The goal is very simple. It's to make more art in May, little by little. And I am so glad you're here, and I can't wait to see what you create. We'll see you tomorrow for the first painting.